Welcome to another lesson. In this video we are going to create a bio generator, and this is a mini project and we are going to apply from what we have learned. Now for example, I'm going to define a name variable input function, and inside here I'm going to enter a message and I'll say what is. So I'm going to copy these and 4 times like that, and the second I'm going to define this one as age like that. Then this one I will change to city, and I'm going to enter this message here, and this variable I'm going to change it to, I will say fact, and I will enter this message like that. Now below here I'm going to print, and I'm going to make it to move to the next line, and I'm going to use this sequence character. I'll design it that way. Below here I will print again, and I will have to greet, then I say maybe say hi, and I must concatenate this by using a plus sign like that, then concatenate again with a plus sign, and I'm going to use a comma here. I will concatenate with a plus sign age. I'll write this variable here. I'll say years old in. I will still have to concatenate, and I'm going to pass my city variable here. But before that, I need to add a comma here, and I'll still have to concatenate with a plus sign. Now I'll say print, then fun fact about me with a plus sign here, and I will add a variable here, fact. Now as you can check, the program is ready. You already have what is your name, and I will enter a name here, for example Kelvin. Press enter. It will ask you the next question, how old are you? I will say 78. Next question, which city do you live in? I can say Mombasa. And tell me fun fact about you, and I will say something. That's just kidding, I'm not a daydreamer. All right, so guys, this is what I have created in Python.